Hello friends and viewers, welcome back to another video. Alright, today let's see the secret way to make the dark and white temptations, or we call them dark ribs. Alright, the measurements I'll put them in the description box. Okay, I started with one piece here. When you put this flour, you make sure that all the water dries up. As you see, I'm trying to check if it's ready down. Yes, and then I turn to another side. Make sure that the bread is very, very soft to come out with something nice. You try to change it a little bit, all sides to be ready. Right, you see another side. Yes, and then let's go to another piece. By the way, what I had forgotten to say, I put 1 spoon, one by 1 spoon. Yes, and I try to roll the pan to get that thin layer. All right, as long as you see these small hips coming out, you try to see the bottom side. All right, as you see. All right, you see that bottom side. All right, let's see the third piece. As long as the water dries up, automatically the bottom side is ready to change. One, two, three. All right, my pieces are ready now. Let's prepare. Yes, I started with the one bread, one piece. Alright, I try to top up with my chocolate. And then I go on with the other type of chocolate. I'll put all these chocolates in the description box so that you can see which kind of chocolates I used in this video. Alright, after that I cover with one bread, and then again I top up with the chocolate up. You make sure that at least all the sides are filled with something for good taste, and then I cover with another bread. And then the last part, or the last toppings, I put the chocolates. Like this. And by the way, don't forget this chocolate, before sprinkling it on the bread, I first put it in the microwave to become more liquid, as you see. Yes, and then after I topped up with the white chocolate. It's all in liquid form. Alright. And then after I'm done with the toppings, I'll put it 5 minutes only in the microwave, so that also the chips, chocolates, or the chocolate chips also become liquid. Alright, as I'm done, it's time to taste everything. As you see, everything is liquid. Don't forget to put like 4 minutes or 2 minutes in the microwave. Otherwise, see you in another video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting my videos. Bye bye.